Good morning. Let's make breakfast this morning. Today I'm going to be baking some eggs, sausages, and some toast. Here I have some eggs. I did add some salt. I also just add some white pepper, and I'm going to whisk this egg until it is fluffy and nice. Once this is done, I have a pan over medium heat. I'm going to now place some butter. Toss it around and let it melt. And now I'm going to add the eggs. At this time, I lower the heat and let this go. I can eat eggs anyhow, guys. I don't have a problem. So comment below how you like your eggs done. I can just poach my eggs. I can just place a little salt on the poached eggs and eat them just like that. No worries. Today I choose to do it like this. Once this is done, I'm going to place it onto a serving dish and set it aside. Now over medium heat, I have a pan. Once the pan gets hot, I'm going to place 2 pieces of English sausages into this pan. No oil added. I'm just going to toss the sausages around until they get a nice golden brown color. At this time, I want to go in with a little bit of water, pour it in there, and just keep tossing. So my sausages are finished, and now I'm toasting 2 pieces of my homemade bread, just making sure that they get a nice golden color. And once they're done, I'm going to remove them, place them onto the plate, and just put a little bit of butter onto my toast. Just like so, breakfast is served. I did add some slices of tomatoes, and it's simple and easy to make. Guys, if you enjoyed this video, kindly please give it a thumbs up, press that subscribe button, and also press the notification bell to be notified when I upload another video. And thank you for coming in the kitchen. I will see you in my next video.